Hey everyone, welcome back to my channel Initial Solution. In today's video, I'll show you how to show up your business on Google Map. So first of all, you need to go to your Google Map app, then select your area. If I go for this area, now scroll down. Okay, this is the okay. Scroll down. Okay, I have to select another area from here. I'll select area randomly. Okay, now you can see there is an option as add your business to maps for free. Click on it. Now you have to enter your business name. Okay, now you have to enter your business category. Now go for next. Do you want to add a location customer can visit like a store or office? Uh, you can go if you what if you want. What do you want? So if I go for yes, now you have to enter your street address. If I go for uh, my street address, now go for city, postal code, go for next. Now you have to just go for next. Then okay, I go for yes again. Now you can go for next it from here. You can skip it. Now you have to enter your uh, phone number from here. Then go for next. So now you can see a page like this. Now you can add your business hours from here. So if I go for closed on Sunday, and I'll open it for another day and open from 9 a.m. to closed time. Closing time is 5 p.m. Now let's go for you can go for next or you can skip it. So if I go for skip it, and you can add messaging or you can skip it also, and you can add your business description. Again, I will skip it, and you can select photos or you can upload photos from your mobile or your device. So I'll skip it and go for skip it again. You can fill all these things and go for it. So that's it. This is how you can add your business to Google Maps. Hope this video helped you. If it did, then please like, comment and share. Subscribe to our channel and don't forget to hit the bell icon for more videos. Thank you.
This video is sponsored by Zerosoft. Zerosoft offers graphic design, UI UX design, digital marketing, and web development. Elevate your brand with Zerosoft today. For more details, check the description box.